Whether you're studying for your driving test or just refreshing your knowledge, this video will walk you through 40 essential road signs that every driver should recognize. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more driving tips. Let's jump in and test your knowledge. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? B. School, bus stop ahead. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. Keep left. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? B. A traffic light intended for bicycles. Question 4. Do you know which sign is the "Do not enter the traffic lane directly below" sign? Question 5. What does this road sign represent? B. Cyclists must dismount their bikes and walk. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? Keep left. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? Do not enter the traffic lane directly below. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? School, bus stop ahead. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? B. All 4 lanes closed. Question 10. Do you know which sign is the temporary speed advised of 50 miles per hour sign? Question 11. What does this road sign mean? B. National Network Route. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? C. Grit gravel at the edge of the road. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? B. No right turn on red. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? Temporary speed advised of 50 miles per hour. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? Grit, gravel, at the edge of the road. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? National Network Route. Question 17. What does this road sign indicate? B. Stop. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? C. Left bend. Question 19. Do you know which sign is the junction on a bend sign? Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? A. Traffic merges onto the main carriageway. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? B. Motorcycle, plaque. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? Stop ahead. Question 23. Can you identify this road sign? Traffic merges onto the main carriageway. Question 24. What does this road sign indicate? Motorcycle, plaque. Question 25. What does this road sign mean? A. Double bend first to the left. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? B. Rough pavement ahead. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? C. Bicycle crossing on side road. Question 28. Do you know which sign is the straight ahead sign? Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? B. Object marker, both directions. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? Bicycle crossing on side road. Question 31. Can you identify this road sign? Straight ahead. Question 32. What does this road sign indicate? Object marker, both directions. Question 33. What does this road sign mean? B. Both lanes closed. Question 34. Do you know which sign is the stop ahead sign? Question 35. Can you identify this road sign? C. Object marker, one direction. Question 36. What does this road sign mean? A. Give way to traffic. Question 37. What does this road sign indicate? B. Air traffic sign. Question 38. Can you identify this road sign? Object marker, one direction. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? Both lanes closed. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? Air traffic sign. Question 41. Can you identify this road sign? B. Deer crossing. Question 42. What does this road sign indicate? C. Snowdrifts may exist. Question 43. What does this road sign mean? Diversion sign on minor roads. Question 44. Can you identify this road sign? No overtaking. Question 45. Do you know which sign is the steep hill sign? Question 46. What does this road sign mean? No overtaking. Question 47. Can you identify this road sign? Snowdrifts may exist. Question 48. What does this road sign indicate? Deer crossing. Question 49. What does this road sign mean? Road narrows on both sides. Question 50. Do you know which sign is the separated pedestrian and bicycle path sign? Question 51. What does this road sign indicate? B. Traffic signals ahead. Question 52. What does this road sign mean? B. Telephone at level crossing. Question 53. Can you identify this road sign? A. Turning right on red is prohibited. Question 54. What does this road sign indicate? Traffic signals ahead. Question 55. What does this road sign mean? Telephone at level crossing. Question 56. Can you identify this road sign? Road narrows on both sides. Question 57. What does this road sign indicate? A. Crossroads. Question 58. What does this road sign mean? B. Motorway junction ahead. Question 59. Do you know which sign is the no pedestrian sign? Question 60. What does this road sign indicate? B. Right ahead. Question 61. What does this road sign mean? A. T intersection. Question 62. Can you identify this road sign? B. What does this road sign indicate? Right ahead. Question 63. What does this road sign indicate? Motorway junction ahead. Question 64. What does this road sign mean? Question T intersection. Great job on going through these 40 essential road signs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more valuable driving tips. Check out more videos to keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.